every perfect facet comes from the pursuit of excellence and exploration. Every single milestone comes from the accumulation of search and growth. He is the contributor to modern industry, a leader in aluminum heat exchange industry. He is Huafon Aluminium, fearless and ongoing. Shanghai Huafon Aluminium Corporation sits in Jinshan, a beautiful southern part of Shanghai, founded by one of China's top 500, Huafon Group. The company is in possession of assembly lines for casting, hot rolling, cold rolling, sleeting. The technical standards of our equipment are all leading in the domestic industry. Our products include all series of aluminum alloy for the heat exchange field, which has been extensively used for the engine cooling and air conditioning systems of automotive industry, residential and commercial air conditioning facility, new energy automotive battery, and the cooling device of air separation plant, as well as a variety of manufacturing businesses. After more than a decade of hard work, our ambitious journey still continues. In the competition with world-class top players, our performance has been remarkable. The annual sales keep notching new record highs, ranked the top 10 of the 3rd China Aluminium Foil Enterprises, top 100 of Shanghai-based manufacturers, and top 100 of Shanghai-based private companies. In September 2020, Huafon Aluminium went public in the main board of Shanghai Stock Exchange. With the help of new capital, Huafon Aluminium took a great leap forward with a new responsibility on shoulder, making a commitment to leading the national aluminum industry onto a bigger worldwide stage. Since 2009, Huafon Aluminium has joined hands with the Shanghai Jiaotong University and set up a high-standard R&D center. Huafon Aluminium possesses multiple national patents and utility model patents. It is certified as a national high-tech enterprise, a Shanghai Enterprise Tech Center, Jinshan Enterprise Engineering Research Center, and 3A Custom Certification Enterprise. We have a number of experienced experts in the industry and technicians from Japan and South Korea. All of them make a strong service team. After years, Huafon Aluminium formed a matured QA system and certified by IATF 16949, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. It has been awarded the 2015 Jinshan Governor Quality Award, an Excellent Quality Supplier Award by MAHLE Group. For decades, Huafon Aluminium has been dedicated to developing aluminum heat exchange cladded material widely used by the high-end models of Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Tesla, VW, Toyota, Hyundai. We supply world-respected companies such as DENSO, MAHLE, Hanon, and major Chinese auto parts companies like Sanhua, Yinlun, Air International, and Fall. Our business covers over 30 countries and regions such as Germany, Czech, Japan, South Korea, Mexico, and USA. We also have multiple overseas offices, and exports account for 1/3 of total sales. Since 2016, Huafon Aluminium decided to invest in Chongqing, a strategic city in southwestern China, with a total investment of 7 billion RMB for building a large production base with an annual output 500,000 tons. R2 billion was invested for first project, annual 200,000 tons aluminum material. The critical product, new energy lithium-ion battery foil, with its high precision, high strength, and high performance, will create new records amongst the global trend. A piece of aluminum has to go through countless castings before it is finished. The light hides itself in darkness and won't show unless you look for it. Huafon Aluminium will continue to carry on our core value of common goal, common business, common benefit, and common development. To become a leader of the aluminum new material and a world-class high-quality supplier, fearless, and keep marching forward.